designers here, and when they visit, they make me look like a mad scientist.
You look great.
But I do have to appreciate it because it is chilly in studio. We're talking about making a big boom this weekend. Sari is here talking about volcanoes.
Yes, we have the great eruption happening this next week, so the 25th, Thursday at the Science Center. We're going to make real smoke and flame effects launch off the roof of the Science Center, and it's all in celebration of Pompeii, the exhibition that we have.
Wow, that's incredible. We're not launching anything here, but we've got some pretty cool demos.
We're not, and we know that volcanic eruptions are really no laughing matter, and it's all about the conversations that we can start with them.
Okay.
But one of the conversations is all about those flame effects. So we've got something here. Maybe we can dim the lights.
We're going to dim the lights.
See if we can.
Weldon's going to put the camera down. We're going to talk to camera 6 for a few minutes.
Excellent.
And then we're going to dim the lights.
Perfect.
So what is the flame effect then?
So we've got a couple different examples, and the first one, of course, if you recognize this item.
Yeah, little tea candle.
Little tea candle. So candles, we need combustion to make fire happen, and that happens with 3 different ingredients. We need a fuel. We need oxygen, and we need a heat source. So here we've got the wick and the wax, then is the fuel. We've got oxygen in the air all around us, and we just use some more fire as heat, but friction or a spark would work. So over here, we already lit up some examples, and when we get Weldon back to make sure, I don't know if we can see this on camera over there, we can maybe try and light up another one. We have some birthday candles over here that are the new fancy color flame burning candles. And
pretty.
Perfect. Maybe we can get a close-up on any of these. So these are flame effect because you can put different elements in with those materials that burn to get different colors. So here, what do you notice about these?
Well, they're burning the same color. The pink flame, that's a very bright orange flame. The green is so cool, and so is the purple.
Purple. So we've got strontium, calcium, copper, and potassium.
See, you know the scientific terms.
I do.
I know the colors.
But that's all we need because that's what we're looking for with a flame effect is something interesting. They all burn a little bit different. And here we've got the different colors. This is what we would use on stage or in fireworks. So same science. All right, but we're going to take this candle over here. Another flame effect is flash powder. So if you've ever seen a magician do dragon's breath and do fireballs in their hand.
So neat.
It is. It's really amazing. So we're going to make that happen here. And we're using this material, and you are going to help me out.
Sure.
So when I tell you to, you're going to take a scoop of this powder. This is like a podium powder. It's a plant
It does have a smell to it.
It does have a little smell to it. Not real strong, but it's an organic powder. So this is the same science. If we were to take a match and throw it in there, nothing would happen. It needs to be aerosoled into dust. So this is the same science as like when grain silos on farms explode because they're a dust that's in the air, and then they can light on fire. But we've got our heat source down here. We've got all the air that's in this tube. I want you to go ahead and take a scoop of that. And you're gonna,
scared.
That's right, you're gonna sprinkle it over top and then move your hand away.
It's not gonna blow up.
It's gonna be pretty good.
I always step back.
That's right, that was just, it only flickered a little bit. Here, we can do another one.
No, that was neat. That was super neat. You do it.
We're trying to keep it small in studio too. So no, that was great. So here, let's see if we can.
You're braver than I am. That is incredible.
I'm a trained professional, and we even have
and I'm only acting like one.
Extra safety equipment on site.
Yeah, one more?
One more. Last one for flame effects. So this is flash powder like magicians would use, and then the next one, you're also going to have to be my assistant here. We have gas. So when we're thinking about flame effects, gas is another way we can get
smell that. We've got
flame.
30 seconds, Sari.
Perfect. All right. So I'm going to have you get your hands wet by pouring just a little bit of water over your hands into that bowl. And what I'm going to do is add some propane bubbles. So this is a flammable gas, the same kind of propane that we would use out in our gas stove. I want you to scoop up some of those bubbles for me into your hand.
Again, do I need to worry about this?
Try get a little more bubble. Nope, you're going to be okay. Keep your hand flat. Hold it away from yourself. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Oh my gosh, you guys.
So again, flame effects totally safe because keeping your hand nice and cool from the water. The propane was trapped in the bubbles and it just burned all off.
Do not try that.
Do not try any of this at home. Again, we're trained professionals at the Science Center.
Right, absolutely. And as we wrap up, where and when can they see this?
So everything here can be seen at the Science Center any day of the week. But of course, we've got this happening and more next Thursday for the great eruption at the Science Center.
Fantastic. We'll be right back, everyone. I can smell that on my hands.
I know, right? Just a little
wow.
More